guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought I'd do something a little different and talk about how you guys can get monetized here on YouTube and how to continue to grow your channel. This is a continuation video on how to start your beauty channel here on YouTube. I'll link that video right up here, so if you guys want to see what my first paycheck was like and how I got monetized, then definitely keep on watching. So quick disclaimer, I want to start off by saying this video is not meant to brag by any means on how much money I made here on YouTube. It's just me trying to do an educational video about how you guys can get started off on YouTube and how you guys can grow and how you guys can get monetized here on the YouTube platform. I know that when I first started out, I literally had no one to talk to about this. I didn't know anyone in the community, so I had to do everything on my own, figure out everything on my own, and I did a lot of research and watched a lot of YouTube videos on how to get monetized and how to grow. So this video, like I said, is just meant to be educational. If you guys have any questions that I didn't answer in this video or my last video, please make sure you guys leave them down below. Also, don't be afraid to reach out to me to ask me any questions, because I love helping you guys grow, because this is a big enough platform that everybody could be part of, because billions of people on this planet that watch YouTube, and it's a great community and it's a great way for people to express themselves and be themselves, and a great way to invest in your future. So let's go ahead and start diving on into this. So when you first start off getting a YouTube account, I recommend signing up for Google Adsense. I unfortunately did not do that when I first started off. I literally waited, I think, until I reached 1,000 subscribers to sign up for Google AdSense. I recommend doing it right away, just because when you first sign up, they are going to send you a little paper that says Google AdSense, and it takes about 3 to 4 weeks for you to receive it in the mail, and it's going to have a PIN number. Now this PIN number is going to verify you are who you said you are. It's going to ask you to put that in. That way it can verify that you are the correct user, so they can make sure they're paying the right person for the video. Like I said, when I first started off, I did not do that. So by the time I got monetized, I literally had to wait 3 or 4 weeks for me to receive the little Google AdSense paper. So it took me longer to get my first paycheck. In order to qualify for monetization, you had to have over 1,000 subs and 4,000 hours of watch time. And that is a lot, and it's hard to achieve, but trust me, it is very, very possible. And I'll get into like the tips or tricks of that later on in this video. This is just me telling you guys how to first get monetized. Once you hit your first 1,000 subs and you hit your 4,000 hours watch minutes, you can now apply to become part of the YouTube partnership program or apply to become monetized. Same exact thing. Now on YouTube, it says it does take about a month for YouTube to review your channel to get monetized. It took me 2 days. 2 days to get monetized, and I was like, oh, okay. And the second that I got monetized, it allowed me to monetize my videos. So literally I just clicked on the monetization button of turn on, and all my videos became monetized at that point. Now, it gets a little bit complicated about how much money you will make on YouTube, because it varies upon the length of your video, it varies on the quality of your video, and how much engagement you actually have in your video. So your CPM rate is what it's going to look at when it comes to getting paid. And the higher your CPM rate, the higher money you can potentially make here on YouTube. Now I do want to go ahead and say this, that just because you see all these ads in your videos and say these ads are like $5 a piece, it does not mean you're gonna make $5 per ad. YouTube does take 55% of your ad earnings and you earn the other 45%. So that's hefty. YouTube takes their cut for sure. Now I got monetized in May of 2019, but I actually didn't receive my first paycheck until July of 2019. It takes some time to actually get to the $100 threshold, because YouTube will not pay you until you hit over $100 in the threshold. Why? I don't know. You could literally have like $99 in there and it won't pay you until you hit over 100. So it means you have to wait another month, and you only get paid once a month, and that's every 21st of the month. So it literally goes from, like, let's say June 1st to July 1st, you have that entire time to build up to $100, and then once you reach that, it closes it out, I want to say around the 3rd or the 4th of the month, or the following month, and then you can actually see in your Google AdSense account on the 15th, 16th what you're going to get paid, and it's going to say unpaid earnings, and on the 21st it will directly deposit it into your bank account. Now once you do hit the $100 threshold, it is going to actually ask you to put down your bank information or your card information. Any way that you want to get paid, it's going to ask you to verify that information so they can find a way to give your paycheck, and they're also going to ask you to fill out your taxes. Now if you are under the age of 18, they will not to pay you unless you have tax information on there, which I'm assuming they're going to go through your parents. I'm over the age of 18, so I literally just had to put my tax information in there, and then I was good to go. Now, I do want to let you guys know that YouTube is a marathon and it is not a race, and it takes a lot of patience to start making money here on YouTube. It is not the easiest thing, and it takes a lot of work and sacrifice. I started doing YouTube back in 2018, like February 2018, and I didn't get my first paycheck until July 2019. It takes a lot of work and a lot of sacrifice to grow here on YouTube. It is not an easy race. It is a marathon, but I would tell you guys right now, it is well worth it. Well worth it. So once you do start getting your paychecks, you want to start maintaining an average like amount of videos so you guys can get paid. So now I'm gonna give you guys some like tips and tricks on how to grow here on YouTube so you guys can get paid. So in order to hit 1,000 subs, it seems really daunting at first. It is really hard and really scary. It took a lot of time for me to grow to 1,000 subs, but I did have some, like, I guess, viral videos that took off and allowed more people to see my video. But you really want to put yourself out there, and I know it's really scary for a second. Some people will tell me in my comments and my DMs that they're really scared to go on camera because they're really embarrassed of what other people are going to think of them. I'm telling you right now, I was the exact same when I first started off. I didn't want to tell anybody I was doing YouTube. I probably waited about 3 or 4 videos in before I actually like told everybody. My close friends and family knew, but like the rest of the world did not know. I was very, very embarrassed. But you have to get over that because people are going to find you, they are going to see you, and you might be surprised in how they react toward the situation. For me, people made fun of me at first, but then as time went on, those same people that made fun of me and actually saw my channel growing actually asked me, well, how do you start here on YouTube? What are some tips and tricks? What are advice that you can give me? How can you help me grow? Are these same people that made fun of me? And I laughed, but I was very gracious, and I did try to help them to move forward because I do believe in helping others. This is a big enough community. We should all be here to support each other and help each other grow. You know what I'm saying? In order to go to like 1,000 subs, you really, really want to be engaging with your audience. People who comment on your videos, make sure you guys comment back, be very engaging with them, and makes them feel very special. It's going to make them want to come back to your videos to watch you day in and day out. Also, you really need to promote yourself on every social media platform that you have. Exposure is key when you're first starting out to growing here on YouTube. Trust me, you want to promote yourself as annoyingly as possible. Now, don't go on other people's videos being, sub for me, sub for me, sub for me. Like, don't do that, but be engaging with other people. Find other people who are in your field that you love watching and comment on their videos and say, hey, I really like this style of video. It's a really cool idea. I did something very similar. It's going to grab their attention and make them want to come back and check you out as well. I also recommend joining as many groups as possible. I know Facebook has so many different YouTube groups on there. You can talk to people who are in the same groups as you. You could ask them questions on how you can grow your videos. You can promote your videos on there. You guys can support each other on there. It is a great community to get yourself started off with, and I highly recommend it. I know I was a part of the small YouTuber growth program on Facebook and like YouTuber boost program on Facebook is what I was a part of, and I would promote my videos on there. People would comment, change this, change that, and I would, and I really started to notice a difference here on my channel. Another thing you guys need to do is you need to be consistent with your videos. Don't post 1 video a week. It's never going to help you grow. I always recommend posting at least 2 videos a week, and don't have them be 10 minutes long. Have them be actually like a decent length, between like 15 to 20 minutes, because YouTube does love very long videos, and it's going to help your algorithm, and it's going to help boost your videos in the long run, and YouTube is more than likely going to want to promote your videos over someone else if you have a longer video and your CPM is a little higher and your engagement is a little higher. If you have longer videos and you're posting more consistently, and not only is it going to allow your watch time to grow faster, it's going to get people more engaging to want to stay in your channel because they're going to see how often you're there and they're going to want to watch you constantly. Another tip to get people to come onto your channel, to get people to want to subscribe to you and to want to watch your videos, is have a very fun thumbnail. You do not want to have something that's very dull and boring, because more than likely or not, if you see a thumbnail that just looks really crappy quality, you're not going to click on that video. If you see a very fun thumbnail that's like popping in your face, you're more than likely going to be drawn to that and give that video a chance, and you never know what you're going to find. It could be the shittiest video in the world, but it had the best thumbnail and you're going to click on it. And it could be the best video and have the shitty thumbnail and you're never going to click on that video. So make sure your thumbnails are very captivating. Make sure your titles are very captivating as well. I always kind of recommend doing like a question to pull somebody in. Like on my videos, I do a lot of no bullshit honest reviews is what I do for my makeup channel. And I will pose questions in my thumbnails like, was this worth it? Is this a hit or miss? am I glad that I did this? Like, I try to post questions into my videos to engage people to come over and see my channels and to want to stay. Now, another recommendation that I could do for you guys is make sure you guys check your analytics page. It is key to help you guys growing here on YouTube. On your analytics page, it tells you everything that you need to know. You do have a reached audience section, you have an interest viewers. You're going to want to see what your click rates are, what your impressions are, whether you're being recommended in browse features, whether you're being searched on Google. You could literally use so much of that fact to figure out how you guys can grow. And it also shows your engagement with your audience, and it tells you guys your CPM rate. When it comes to calculation of your money and revenue, you want to look at the CPM. That's going to be on your analytics page, and your CPM can range anywhere between $1 to like $20 per view. Now, the determination factor of your CPM varies upon your videos. Actually, YouTube does take your algorithm into account. It takes how long your videos are, it takes how engaging your audience are. Currently, I set about $12.91 per video for my CPM rate, which is kind of high for someone of my channel size, but it's because my videos are so long and I'm very engaging with my audience that my watch time has actually gone up tremendously, and my average watch time has gone up tremendously. So YouTube is more than likely going to promote my video or somebody else, because say you have a 10-minute video and the average watch time for this video is 4 minutes and an average time for my video is 6 minutes, YouTube is more than likely going to promote my video for being 6 minutes longer average watch time than the other 4-minute average watch time. So to make sure you guys have longer videos, because more than likely your watch time is going to grow. So it means your CPM rate has a chance of growing, your subscribers have a chance of growing, and YouTube has a better chance of promoting your videos here on YouTube. Now, something that I do recommend you guys download is the YouTube Creator Studio app. It literally is going to tell you guys everything you need to know on your phone. Instead of having to go on the computer all the time, you guys will literally have it right here. That way you guys can see what type of videos are being monetized at, how much money you're making per video, how much engagement you're having per video, how you're reaching other audience per video. It literally tells you everything you need to know from the Creator Studio on your phone and in your app. Now, my first paycheck here on YouTube was $629.36. That's high. That's high for a very first paycheck. But the reason why that paycheck was so high is because I was earning revenue all the way up until June 30th. It took what I made in May, which was $51, and then it took what I made in June, like $579, combined together and gave me the one big paycheck. I was not expecting it to be this big at all. It really freaked me out. I was like, oh my God. But I also knew realistically my next paycheck would not be that big. But the reason why it was so big is because I did have some videos on there that gained a lot of attention. Unfortunately, one of those videos was a drama video about Jaclyn Hill, which I'm not going to get into at all, but that gave me the most amount of money. I earned about $300 off that video alone because my CPM rate was high, because my video was long, it was engaging, and people watched my video, and my watch time was very high on that video. Now, my second paycheck, I believe I'm going to get at the end of this month, August 21st, it's going to be over $200. It's because, once again, my CPM rate is really high and I'm really engaging with my audience. So like I said, it's not meant to brag at all. It's just meant to help you guys here grow on YouTube. It is very, very possible. We are a big community. There's some people that watch you, and put as much content as you want out there. The more videos you put out there, the more chances you guys are going to be seen. This is not a race by any means, and I know that you guys might be looking at this video right now and saying, I'm stuck, I'm not growing, I hit a plateau. Trust me, I understand. We have all been there. I have been there, but it just takes time. If this is something you love and you're passionate about, trust me when I say you will grow, and this is going to work out for you in the long run. If this is something you love to do, just be passionate about it. Make videos because you love it, not because you're trying to make money. That is my biggest advice I can give you. Make videos that you love, that you want to watch, and if you love what you do, money's going to come your way in the long run. I promise. But you just, like I said, you have to be engaging. Be engaging with your audience. Post as much content as you can. Do some amazing thumbnails. There are plenty of amazing videos out there, how to create custom thumbnails, how to work Photoshop, how to go cool catching titles. There's also other videos out there, how to calculate your click rate videos, how to calculate your first impression videos, how to get algorithms to boost your videos over others. Like, there's so many informative videos out there. I just want to talk about my experience because I know a lot of you guys have asked me here, how do you keep growing? How do you keep engaging? And it's all about posting content, being consistent, being consistent, being consistent. I cannot tell you guys that enough. Be consistent, and just know it is going to take a lot of work. To be successful on YouTube, it takes a lot of work, a lot of patience, a lot of time sacrifice. I cannot tell you how many times I literally sacrifice hanging out with my friends and family so that I could film videos for my YouTube channel, because my YouTube channel is my full-time job. And I also have a full-time job in my real life besides YouTube. So I'm doing both at the same time, and it's very overwhelming at times. Trust me, it's very overwhelming, but it does pay off. It's worth it if it's something you guys want to do in the long run. Like I said, I do have a video that I will list down below about how you guys can get started here on YouTube. You do not have to have fancy equipment at all. I literally started off using my iPhone with natural light, and then I eventually upgraded and got ring lights and studio lights and a better camera, but it just takes time, and it is possible. Feel free to leave comments down below if you guys have any questions you guys want me to answer. If you guys want to do more videos, maybe how to understand how to do click rates, how to make thumbnails, how to make titles, let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to make those videos for you guys. And like I said, I really just wanted this video not to be braggy, but just to be educational, because I believe that everybody has a chance to grow here on this wonderful platform, because it's such a great platform and it's so fun, and I absolutely love doing this. I would do this for free, and I have been doing this for free. I just got my first paycheck last month, and I'm hoping to get my next paycheck, and I hope it's a consistent run, but you know, we're gonna see. Time will tell. All I know is I'm gonna keep posting videos because I love doing it. So I hope this video was helpful for anyone out there. If you guys have any questions, like I said, let me know. So that is it for today's video, guys. Make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post quite a few videos a week. I also have another channel here on YouTube that I am starting out. It is Our Florida Life. You can see me and my fiance's wonderful life here in Florida. And yeah, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love, support, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.